Describe your sex drive with one car.
With one car? A Mercedes Benz.
If you could rate someone's closet, who would it be?
It's okay. I love you.
If you could spend more time in the Big Brother house with just one person, who would it be?
Why money, baby? Sorry, I miss you. Don't worry, a few days you'll be out.
Kiss, marry, dump, Pere, Saga, White Money.
Marry, White Money. Kiss. White Money. And what else did you ask me? Kiss.
Dump.
Marry, dump.
Dump, Boma. You did not add that. You should have added Boma, but I've added it for you.
When was the last time you French kissed someone?
In the house. White Money all the time.
When was the last time?
I kissed the life out of him.
When was the last time you had sex?
Before going for Big Brother house.